We're gonna go based on what she tells us. You're not free to leave.
I'm not gonna tell you my name.
As long as you chill, alright?
I'm fine.
Okay, we just want to know what happened.
Hey, I need name and badge numbers. Officer, what? I need name and badge numbers. Get the f*** up. Take your ass up. Now you slam my head on the floor, right? Alright, I bet.
Don't spit on me!
Oh!
Stop doing that!
The 30th of December 2025. Domestic violence response. 5 legal issues on camera. The detention was lawful under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. An identified 911 caller reporting an ongoing assault at a specific address satisfies reasonable, articulable suspicion. The subject's insistence on leaving had no legal effect. A Terry stop does not require consent.
What's going on, man?
What's going on?
Okay,
look.
What happened?
Look at it.
Okay, what happened?
So talk and answer questions, okay? Don't lay the fuck down, go to sleep.
Okay, well, that's probably not smart because we're gonna go based on what she tells us. So we're gonna want your statement on what happened because we're gonna talk to her as well. Okay?
That's fine. You can take your statement.
Okay, let's get the thing started.
Yeah.
Go ahead. No.
Well, you're not free to leave. You're not free to leave. So just
no. Go ahead. Put me in cuffs. Here. Let's go. Take me out.
relax, dude.
I'm not going inside.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Talk to her.
Brother.
All right.
What? Don't.
All right. Just chill
I'm
out.
trying to walk outside the house.
Okay.
I'm trying to walk outside the house.
Okay. Well, you're not free to leave. You're
I'm
not free
not
to leave.
leaving. I'm not leaving.
Okay, just stay right here.
Look at brother. Look at brother. I got my phone.
Huh?
I got my phone. Put me in cuffs.
Huh? Dude, alright, that's not necessary right now. As long as you chill, alright?
I'm fine.
Okay, we just want to know what happened.
But that's why I'm telling you. I'm fine.
Whoever called it.
I'll call you.
25, who's the caller? Being uncooperative.
Brother. Can you put me in handcuffs so I can be responsive that you guys got me? Can you guys just please put me in handcuffs?
Well, first we need to figure out what we have.
I understand that, but I need you guys to put me in handcuffs so that you guys are on record. I am responsible. Put me in handcuffs.
What's your name?
My name is John.
What's your name?
I'm not going to tell you my name. Are you going to put me in handcuffs or not? Okay. Put me in handcuffs. Are you putting me in handcuffs or not?
10-4. The females are being uncooperative, not opening the door. We have Joshua out here.
Are you going to put me in handcuffs?
What's your name?
My name is Joshua.
All right,
I'm not running away. I'm not running away.
Sit down.
Sit on the step.
Brother.
Sit down while we figure out. This could be very easy.
Listen. You guys' body cameras are on. Yes or no? Your body cameras are on. No. Don't touch me. Do not touch me.
You just wanted us to put you in cuffs.
No.
Let's go.
Because I did.
Let's go.
But you didn't.
All I need you to do is sit down.
No.
Let's sit down and figure it out.
You're going to jail. Now you're going to jail.
Arms are hand back.
Listen. Put your arms behind me.
All right, let's go. Just wanted us.
You still be at 40.
Get your arms behind your back. I'm not.
Alright, this one you're on the route.
For what? Let's go. For what?
Alright, you want to get paid? Dude, let's come on.
Put
your arms behind your back or you're going to get tased.
Tase me.
25. Can you send us another no rush?
Send another one.
Let's go. Hands on your back. Arms on your back. Right now.
Yep. Tase me so I can sue you. Save me so I can sue you. Oh my goodness. Hey, name and badge number.
Alright, well, you wouldn't.
Both of you. Name
let's
and badge
get up.
number.
Stand up.
Nah, hell no, I ain't moving.
Let's go.
Out of here.
Obstructing resistance.
11, your file.
Out of here. Name and badge number, both of you.
25. We have one for obstructing resistance for now.
Name and badge number, both.
Come on, let's go. Stand up.
Nope, not happening.
Name refusal is jurisdiction dependent. Heibel v. Nevada, 2004, upheld stop and identify statutes where they exist. Refusal to identify during a Terry stop is a crime. Where they don't, no obligation exists. Jurisdiction must be confirmed before this charge can stand. Badge number demands are protected under the First Amendment. Glik v. Cunniffe, 1st Sir, 2011. Complete silence across two officers throughout the encounter is a compliance failure. Under Monell v. Department of Social Services, 1978, if that silence reflects departmental custom, the municipality bears direct section 1983 liability. The arrest is analyzed under Graham v. Connor 1989. Domestic violence is serious. 8 minutes of documented physical non-compliance is active resistance. Force was defensible. The kicking allegation, however, requires independent internal affairs review, not silence. Under Graham, force on a subject already under control must still satisfy reasonableness. "You think we care?" said during active restraint, while the subject alleged being kicked, is admissible. Section 1983 evidence of deliberate indifference. No Miranda advisement appears on camera post-arrest. Under Miranda v. Arizona 1966, any post-custody questioning without advisement produces statements subject to suppression.
If you guys, I dare you guys to break my arm. I dare you guys
Come
to
on,
break my arm.
walk with us.
Nope, not happening.
Alright, we'll just wait for some.
And badge number. What the f? Don't kick me. Kick me again. Kick me.
Stop, I don't know why you. Yo. You
Kick me
want
again.
another?
Kick me again. It's on camera.
Stop resisting. Stand up.
You. Fuck you.
Stand up and walk. Stand up and walk.
You.
Alright, let's stand up.
I'm
Let's
moving.
stand up.
I'm not.
Come on.
I'm not.
Let's go.
I'm not. I'm not.
What are you reaching for?
I'm not.
What are you reaching for?
Oh, you. Oh, you guys are. You
We're good.
guys
He's
are.
just not.
Hey, I need name and badge numbers. Officer.
What?
I need name and badge numbers.
Get the f up.
Stand on your
Nope.
feet.
No, name and badge numbers. Name and badge numbers. Because both of these. Watch this.
Pick your ass up. You think we care?
Let's get this.
You guys
Make sure that car stops.
right now.
Alright, let's go.
I think it's lost your job.
Are you picking it up? Are you
I
gonna?
hope you know that. Hey, I'm gonna stand up.
Officer 1 receives a B. Sound Terry detention. Genuine de-escalation. Correct taser warning. 2 failures. No badge number response. No Miranda advisement on camera. Both create civil liability exposure disproportionate to an otherwise defensible performance. Officer 2 receives a C+. Adequate physical support. The deduction is you think we care on camera. During active restraint, with an abuse allegation live. Under Monell, that statement becomes institutional evidence, not just a disciplinary matter. The subject receives a C-. He knew Section 1983 body camera documentation and badge number law, then used that knowledge to build 8 minutes of documented non-compliance. Legal awareness deployed as obstruction is not a defense. It is evidence. The department receives a C. No supervisor present. Badge number non-response across both officers is either a training gap or a culture problem. Both fall within Monell's scope. The on-camera kicking allegation triggers mandatory use of force review. Whether it was documented is the first question any Section 1983 plaintiff asks. 3 lessons. First, legal knowledge that increases your criminal exposure while providing no legal defense is not an asset. It is a liability. The subject proved it in 8 minutes. Second, body cameras record without context or sympathy. Every unnecessary word during a use of force situation is admissible. "You think we care" will appear in a civil rights complaint before this case closes. Third, an on-camera excessive force allegation creates an accountability obligation that does not dissolve with a conviction. Departments that ignore documented complaints face Monell exposure for the indifference itself, not just the underlying force. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.